Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to find user ID on Discord in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open up your Discord in web and make sure that you log in, and in here, you go to your user settings, tap on the settings icon over here below, and then here, scroll down and tap on advanced, and you need to turn on the developer mode over here, and just make sure that's enabled. Once you've done that, you can go to server that you're in, and what you need to do is find your name somewhere. So whether you search for your name or whether you just type in a message, then you find your name. So once you find your name here, you want to click on it. Copy message ID. Then the ID will be copied to the clipboard. And if you just go and paste it anywhere, you can do, you see that you will have to paste your user ID. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.